Hey guys, on this video I will show you how GA4 or Google Analytics 4 works with a superficial overview. So I'm going to talk about technical stuff, but it's superficial, alright? Let's dive in. Alright, so let's start in the moment your leads and customers are in a computer or they are in their mobile phones right here. They just open the computer or a website and then they go to any of these platforms. Maybe they go to Google search or they are scrolling on Facebook or scrolling in TikTok, Instagram, or checking some designs and cool stuff on Pinterest. So during those sessions in the acquisition channels, they will see an ad that could be a paid or organic ad from your business, maybe a content that is useful, or maybe a piece of content that you are bidding or you are promoting, right? They decide to click and go to the website, your website, but before that, one of these browser will roll live. So normally, the vast majority of internet use Google Chrome. Nevertheless, users of iPhones may use Safari, some people use Firefox, or Brave. So this is important because in the browser is where the magic happens of GA4. And your website finally is open here. Let's make a zoom. This is an online shop as an example, right? And in the way Google Analytics 4 gets deployed is through code, JavaScript code added in the head of this website. If you are wondering what is the head, like if you make, let's say, I have to zoom out a little bit. So if you make a right click on the screen and you go to inspect, you will open the developer console. See here on the head, like that's, as the name says, the head of the website of the HTML file that loads in a browser. Here normally it's deployed Google Analytics 4 tags, all right? So that's what I mean with the head. Cool? All right. So Analytics 4 is rolled in the head, and the cool Analytics 4 JavaScript libraries run in this browser, run in the browser of your leads and your customer. So each time someone open your website and roll GA4, this library of JavaScript is executed. This library helps GA4 to track what is happening there in the website. All right, so the GA4 basic installation includes sessions, page view, geolocation, all those events except e-commerce or lead events. The e-commerce or lead events need to be built by custom setups that could be developed by inserting some extra snippets in the code or using tools like Google Tag Manager, or activate plugins or apps from your content management system like WordPress, Shopify, and so on. But what is an event? An event is a website event. A website event is a behavior that the lead or the customer activates directly or indirectly during a web session, like add to carts, like purchases, like view an item. All the GA4 have the following structure. All the events, page view, purchase, begin checkout, all that. So basically they have an event name. That's the first part of an event. And they have parameters. So the event name tells us what was the behavior. What was the exact behavior that people is doing in your website, and the parameters are details. It give us descriptions of the qualities of the events, like when this event happened, how it happening, where happened where it's come from this event, in what quantity, in what product. So the parameter give us characteristics, all right, of the event in particular. All right, so when an event is fired, these events, with the help of the GA4 JavaScript libraries, these events are sent to GA4, to Google servers basically, and it's sent specifically to your exact GA4 measurement ID, to the exact GA4 measurement ID that you created. These events and parameters are grouped, and then you can access to the analytics of these events through your GA4 access. So finally, your analyst or yourself as a business owner get access to whatever your leads and customer did in your website. And that's the complete flow of how GA4 works in the reality. I hope you enjoyed this video as I enjoyed building this for you. Please let me know in the comments if you like it, if you don't like it, if you want to expand in other subject of GA4. Have a wonderful day and see you on the next tutorial.